All right, update on the heat cable. It seems to be working mostly. It is. Oh, it won't let me zoom in from this camera angle, but it's really working right here. I think this spot gets a lot of sun, and on the other spots, it is working. It's kind of building an ice dam over it, so it's melting it as it touches it. But it's a real feel of 14 degrees out here, so as good as heat cables could be. Any stronger heat cable probably is a risk to your roof line, and so I think until we get to about 20, 25 degrees, it's probably not going to melt too much faster, but it is working. We only have a little bit of icicles coming over the inside corner right here. So as it gets a little bit warmer, which I think will be next week because it's going to be freezing all the time, I will give you a new update. So here's what we got for you. This is the back of the home that I did not put any heat cable on. It's got about 5.5 inches of snow on it, and you can see just how stacked up it is. And we'll move over to the front of the house where I did put the heat cable, and you can see that that gutter guard that's installed there is getting exposed pretty well. Some of the ice and snow is trying to husk over, but it's melting as it stacks up and falls onto it, and it's actually doing a lot better job than I thought it was doing from the ground. And I'm happier than I thought I was whenever I was just watching the progress during the storm. This is about a week after the storm. It's Saturday today, and the storm ended on late Saturday last week. So as you can see, it turned out to be a pretty great investment. So if you want this for your home, please let us know.